Alrighty guys, we're back and live at 2:16 battling. I'm going to copy this list right here while I have it. Battling for Jason's B-Wing pilot. Right there he is. I'm going to copy the list. Paste it over here at random. Gonna roll the dice. Got to get at least a 5. We got a 9er, which means we're good to go. Good luck, guys and gals. Troy takes round 1 and round 2. Marcus round 3. Scott round 4. Con round 5. Gary round 6. Con again on top in round 7. Gary round 8, which means our winner is Troy Pitts in at number 1. Congrats, Troy. Here's the verification. Official results. KEXNAA. Troy Pitts in at number 1 is the champ of Jason's B-Wing pilot. I'm done at 2:17 p.m. There it is. Again, here's the official results and the winner. Congratulations. We'll see you next time, guys. Thank you very much.